Today's topic is employee training and compliances. So, why this training and compliances are required? Because every employee needs to be already working. Why do we need the training after joining the office? Like we have all a working hours on already employees are exhausted. So why this training is necessary? Is it really helpful? So the answer is yes. Why? Because every employee needs to be a promoting. They're like a top one, top two, top three. So there is a hierarchy. And why this needed? The employee needs to be upskill and cross skill to reach the certain level and certain position of their career. So this training and compliances that matters. So we are seeing in the slides includes required training hours, tracking methods, and how we ensure compliances within the organization. So training hours requirement. What will be like freshers? It's need to be 40 to 60 hours. Managers 30 to 50 hours. So it is yearly hours. So how we are gonna divide it? Like monthly 2 to 4 hours. At least needs to be 4 hours completed. So at the year end we got a result about 40 hours compliance is fulfilled. It's not like a one day activity. Like we have audit tomorrow and need to be completed this hours. So it is not possible. It's really like an impossible thing. We cannot do in a Monday. Or so it will be collapse all the system. So we need to be every month need to be completed 3 to 4 hours. So what should be the a training topics and a training requirement that needs to be fulfilled. So it is showing in the next slide. There is a types of trainings like content, technical training, soft skills, compliances, and job specific training. So, what is exactly it is? So, technical training and job specific training, we can say, suppose there is a department of the business development, department of the technical team that needs to be delivered project, and business development, it's all about a revenue generation. So, what kind of a things they needs to be learned, they needs to be execute. That kind of a training, it included in a technical and job specific. Second one, in soft skill, every you are working in everything, every organization. There you need to be communication is necessary. How do we talk with each others while we are presenting? What should be included? So this part comes under to the soft skills. Your body languages matters. Your talking skills, your communication skills, we can say that also be matter. So that part comes under to the soft skills. And third one is a compliance. Which compliance is like a posh and safety? That kind of a training also happens. Safety we can majorly seen in a their manufacturing or companies. So the safety part is most important. So we can say a posh and safety is under the compliances part. Now next question is how do we track this? Like we have a requirement for the 40 hours yearly, 35 hours yearly, but how do you track for the every month? So we need to be a track through the Excel, LMS tracking, attendance records, training certificates, and audit-ready documentation. That is required for the compliances, and we required for the Excel and LMS for the tracking. So in the Excel we need to be what part, what columns should be there? How do you track this? So it would be in an included tracking sheets. So you should be ready with employee ID, name, their designation, and most important training content, training topic, certifications, which certification they have done a monthly. You can go with reviews for monthly review. They can fill their tracking sheets. So that kind of activity we can do, and quarterly we can a sit for the a reviews. So this is overall for the a tracking and compliances. So we are going for a final conclusion and action plan. So action plan we have already discussed about Excel you need to be create. Then monthly you need to be to be filling for the every employee. they can be self-fill. So you just need to be share the Excel link or like whatever the documentation you have prepared or like your company prefers. So you need to be share like a training plan to every employee. They understand to like which trainings they needs to be done. We need to be track monthly progress, conduct quarterly reviews, and like improve employee skill. So there should be always column for the like a challenges they have faced in this month, and they require for the like a suppose some trainings for their upskilling and cross skilling, and they needs to be support from like a company. So you really gonna be support like so this is not your only one decision. You need to take approval from your managers like a higher management. You need to be take always approval, because like a demands and like actual requirement, that is two different things. So everyone needs to be concluded on a some same page. So the like you need to be like a discuss like a meetings needs to be scheduled every month, or if it is not possible for the every month, you can go for the like a quarterly meetings also. So this is the part of the like a training and compliances. Overall, like how I have created the Excel sheets and whatever activity I have done for this, so I will share in the next video. Thanks for the watching. Bye bye.